This is our TAO chair model. You can see how perfectly it can fit into pretty much any kind of chair, whether it's your couch, office chair. I always use this at work. It's great to really kind of focus in on pain while you're sitting with that convenience. So let's open it up. One second. Again, it always comes with the carrying case. So let's say you're traveling to and from work. You can put it in the case. It fits perfectly, and you can take it with you wherever you need to. Let's unzip it and take a look at this. So this is our TAO series. So these ones have 4 of our therapies, which I'll get into once we open this up. Again, you can also see it here, right here. I'm sitting on it. For most of our live streams, I sit on this chair. I sit on it in our office a lot. It's great for kind of targeting your pain while you're sitting down for long areas. Maybe you don't like to lie down. You can absolutely put this in most chairs and it will fit. Also, what's great about this is that it gives you the, let me take off the plastic first. Of course, the controller, all the fun stuff it comes with. And I showed you our TAO 1818 before. Great model, sells great, people love it for targeting pain. This is very, very similar, except it has the addition of PEMF in it. So it has all those therapies I mentioned before, and what's great, you can lie it flat on the ground. Let's say you want the option of being able to lie it flat on the ground to maybe sleep, maybe just relax after a long day, and it has the option to fold up like this. Let me show you. So you can see just how it has this crease in the middle that folds like this. It fits into couches, chairs, anything of the sort, and you have that option to lie it flat. Of course, it comes with the cover itself. This is a special cover that fits perfectly, and it is our cotton padded cover. So not only is it waterproof, but it also has that additional layer of comfort too, to protect your mat and provide any kind of relaxation that you might need. All you do is fit it perfectly around the corners. It has these straps like this on the side or on the back end. Just put it around and boom, you can see it fits perfectly just like this. Again, you can just fold it like that. It fits perfectly. There's no problem with the cover at all. Now for the therapies. The therapies in this one are, of course, the natural gemstone therapy. This specific model, like our TAO 1818 model, has the amethyst gemstones. You can see the purple right here, the obsidian, the jade right here. I love jade, especially for relaxing the mind and body. And then the, I believe it was the tourmaline. You can see them right here too. So the gemstones are great for balancing your energies, super great for calming you down, providing a natural approach to healing. If you like gemstones in general, I know a lot of people like to place them around the house, maybe around them when they meditate. We wanted to do that, except fit them into the product itself, which is super convenient and super comfortable too. All of the gemstones here are crushed, so they still provide a comfortable surface while you're sitting down, healing the body. Next, it has the far infrared heat therapy, runs throughout the mat here. And far infrared therapy, if you're just joining us, is great, great, great for relaxation. Let's say you're sitting down for long periods, you get backaches, I know I do. So that's super relaxing for any kind of muscle pain, joint stiffness you might experience, whether you're on the couch, at the office. It's great because it has that option. Or if you just want to lie down flat like you can see here, you can lie it down flat or put it in a chair like I am enjoying right now, excuse me. So next we have the negative ion therapy. The negative ion therapy is generated when the heat or the gemstones are heated. When they release a stream of negative ions, which is great for oxygen flow in the body, super, super relaxing, super rejuvenating. If you've ever been to like a national park or even by the water, maybe a waterfall, you kind of feel that refreshing kind of, you're able to breathe better, you feel more rejuvenated, you kind of feel like your mind's more at peace. That's what negative ions are. That's why we always love negative ions. They're super rejuvenating. And again, when the gemstones are heated, they release the negative ions, super great for oxygen flow. And last but certainly not least, we have the PEMF running in the mat itself. So that's super great for stimulating the cells in the body, great for relaxing your mind. Stimulating cells can help with kind of rebalancing your mind, temporarily reducing symptoms of pain any kind of joint stiffness, but it's also super, super grounding. So at the end of a long day, maybe you had a really stressful, hectic day, you just want to relax, you want those few minutes to relax, you turn on the heat, you turn on the PEMF, you have the gemstones in it. It's super, super great for relaxing. Again, this is an absolutely great model because it has the versatility to use it and the options to use it lying flat or in a chair like I am. And let me show you what else it comes with lastly. As always, it comes with the remote control. Again, you simply plug it in right here to the jack and then into a wall. You're able then to control the temperature of the mat to your liking. Perhaps you want a little cooler, you can set it between room temperature and higher to about 160 degrees. All of that, the timer settings, can set the time you'd like. The PEMF you can turn on or off wherever you like. You can also control the frequency to your liking. And yeah, other than that, it comes with the PEMF Visualizer to show you where the PEMF is being visualized. It's super fun. And of course, the mylar blanket. Again, you want to lie flat, detox, sweat yourself out. Kind of the same effect as a sauna. So you lie down, set the temperature, put this blanket over you, and it kind of traps the heat and helps you sweat a bit more. It's phenomenal. And last but not least, the warranty card. Comes with every single one of our mats. You can go on our website, register your product's warranty. It's super easy.